Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we're discussing the 10 everyday habits of rich people that you can implement in your own life to build wealth. So stick around this video to learn how you can grow rich. Becoming wealthy involves more than just financial decisions. It often entails adopting specific daily habits and attitudes that set the foundation for financial success. Here are 10 daily habits of a wealthy individual. Rise early. Many successful and wealthy people are early birds. They believe in making the most of their mornings, allowing them to plan their day, exercise, and work on personal projects before the world wakes up. According to a survey of 233 wealthy individuals, nearly 50% of the self-made millionaires get out of bed at least 3 hours before their workday actually starts. This habit is a common trait among successful people, as it allows them to get a head start on the day, tackle personal projects, plan their day, or make time for exercise before the demands of the workday begin. Rising early allows individuals to have a sense of control and direction in their lives as they are able to accomplish their top 3 priorities for the day before anyone else is awake. It also provides a sense of accomplishment and confidence, knowing that they have already accomplished something before the workday has even begun. Additionally, exercising in the early morning can also have numerous health benefits and boost mental clarity, making it a win-win for both physical and mental well-being. Daily exercise. Physical health is often linked to mental health and overall well-being. Regular exercise is a common habit among the wealthy. It boosts energy, productivity, and longevity. Studies have shown that working out regularly can improve mental and physical well-being. It can help clear the mind and make one feel more motivated. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It has numerous health benefits such as weight management, improved cardiovascular health, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise can also boost mood and reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. This is why many successful business leaders make sure to work out. Billionaire Richard Branson, for example, says that his morning routine of waking up at 5 a.m. to play tennis or bike has doubled his productivity. Continuous learning. Wealthy individuals are committed to self-improvement. They read books, take courses, attend seminars, and seek knowledge in their field to stay ahead of the curve. According to research, a hopping 88% of wealthy people devote 30 minutes or more each day to education or self-improvement through reading. This habit of reading is not just limited to entertainment. Rather, they prefer reading biographies, history, and self-help books. Reading is a powerful habit that can provide numerous benefits to individuals. It can improve knowledge, vocabulary, and language skills, as well as promote critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Furthermore, reading the biographies of people with rights to riches stories can provide valuable life lessons and inspiration. The legendary investor and self-made billionaire Warren Buffett has also said that reading has been the most crucial habit he's developed. Goal setting. Wealthy individuals are goal-oriented. They set clear, achievable goals and regularly review and adjust them. Having well-defined goals helps them stay focused and motivated. Healthy eating. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of a balanced diet. They make conscious choices about what they eat to maintain good health, which, in turn, helps them stay active and focused. Effective time management. Time is a valuable resource, and wealthy individuals manage it efficiently. They prioritize tasks, delegate when necessary, and avoid procrastination to make the most of their day. Networking. Building and maintaining a strong professional network is crucial for success. Wealthy individuals actively network, attend industry events, and connect with like-minded people to create opportunities. You are only as successful as those you frequently associate with. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your life and can shape your perspective. Mindset and habits associating with motivated and successful individuals can be a powerful way to learn and grow. Self-made millionaires often volunteer, which is a great way to meet other positive, motivated individuals. Joining groups for people who share your same interests and goals can also provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. The key is to surround yourself with people who will push you to be better and inspire you to reach your full potential. Multiple streams of income. Diversifying income sources is a key wealth-building strategy. This may involve investments in stocks, real estate, businesses, or other assets to create a stable financial foundation. Financial planning. Wealthy individuals make financial planning a daily habit. They track expenses, budget effectively, and save or invest a portion of their income consistently. Gratitude and positivity. A positive mindset and gratitude are often underrated habits of the wealthy. They focus on the positives, which not only helps with stress management, but also attracts more opportunities and better relationships. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can help set the stage for financial success. However, it's important to remember that wealth is a result of a combination of factors, including opportunity, hard work, and a bit of luck. These habits can significantly contribute to your journey towards financial prosperity, but it's essential to remain adaptable and open to change as you pursue your wealth-building goals.